Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can record Zoom meeting. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account and then just join a meeting. So right now I'm in my Android version. So a note guys, there is no any such option in your, let's say, mobile devices to record the Zoom meeting. So instead, what you can do is you can just use any of the, let's say, recording screen recorder, and then just record the screen and record the meeting. So that's how you do it. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.